Okay, we'll play, I think, one more game. And we're playing 1900 here. Okay, this time I'm going to play a different setup. I'll play g6 and bishop g7 and fion cheater the bishop. It's castle. So yeah, I mean, on one hand I would say yes, but you know, on the other hand, I don't think it would have worked out, because what really I think helped me with with streaming is that I was kind of sick of chess. Like when I started streaming in 2018, I was very unhappy with my chess career. I was very unhappy with chess in general. I didn't feel like I was like going anywhere in chess. So I think because of that made streaming much more palatable. Whereas I think if I had been playing like really good chess, say I was like at my peak or something, I'd probably be much more positive about chess overall. And I was much more positive about chess overall. I don't think I would have gotten into streaming, so I would not have really found the enjoyment, because I would have been happy with my chess. I think it's because I was unhappy with my chess that really helped a lot. He goes g4. Now I can trade the knights here. I can trade the pawns. I think I'm gonna go e6 to consolidate my structure. So if he pushes, I can go here. Mainly, it guards against these big threats on the king side. I mean, hating chess is too strong, but I wasn't happy. Like, I've been playing pro chess for many years. Same location, same people. Obviously, you have Magnus Carlsen, who's the #1 player in the world. I mean, none of us realistically are thinking we can necessarily beat him. So it's just like, it becomes very, very stale. It becomes really, really stale, and you start to like, you lose that enthusiasm and enjoyment. I think that really helped me a lot. I'm gonna go here, hit the pawns on b2 and d4 before white can crash with the king side attack. So while I can say I would have liked to start sooner, I could say that there's no way it would have been the same thing if I had started sooner. Okay, let's go check, hit the knight, hit the king here. I'm gonna go c4 and attack bishop, followed by b5. Oh, I can't go b5 because he's knight 6 trapping my he is knight c6 trapping my queen. So I gotta trade the knights off first. I don't actually like my position, by the way. I think I'm in trouble in this game. Yeah, I think I'm in quite a bit of trouble potentially. Takes. Okay, I think I'm gonna go here and try to go b5 and go after this wayward knight, but my position is pretty dangerous here. I'm not gonna lie, my position is pretty bad. This is a bad position that I have here, really bad. Hikaru, do people identify you when you go outside your home? Of course. I'm gonna go b5 anyway to go after this knight. He can drop the horse here and try to bring the queen in, which is why I'm not gonna trade the horse. I'm gonna go b4 and try to attack immediately. Go here, try to attack everywhere all at once. I think there's a 3-second delay. There's probably some delay on the kick end, but it's not a big deal. So yeah, like that's the thing. Like it's a catch-22 because I could say, yeah, I would have loved to start sooner, obviously, but on the other hand, it never would have worked out that way. Yeah, I mean, it never would have worked out. That's just the reality. So I'm gonna take the knight here and take the pawn. I'm trying to put a lot of pressure. He's trying to attack me here, but I think he's a little bit too slow because I have this and rook b2. And I mean, he can go queen g1, queen h2, but I think I'm getting in before he gets to meet me. And it goes h6, which looks nice, but now, unless he has a queen or a knight or something near my king, which he doesn't, I'm just going to infiltrate on the only open b file with the kebab and win the game very soon. Take pawn. Can I do like 3 to 5 minutes of stream where you type and stuff talk? I can't do that because honestly, chess.com chat is cancer. Like they literally don't patrol it. So like if I try to do that, it would be an absolute nightmare. Like, you know, Title Tuesday, or even when I play Blitz, like, or I watch games, like chess.com, like the chat is absolute cancer. I mean, I don't know why chess.com doesn't do anything about it, but like it's maybe the worst thing I've ever seen. Or you mean type here? Oh, you mean type here in chat? Yeah. Let's take. Okay, I'm gonna win the game very soon. Let's just take. Go here in rook c1 to hit the bishop, and now we can promote the juicer and win the game in a second. Queen and take. Okay, there we go. We got the dub, and we move.